Understanding the phrase, game save, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, game save. Whether you're a gamer or not, you might have come across this term, and today we're going to dive deep into its meaning and usage. So, let's get started. The phrase, game save, is primarily used in the context of video games. It refers to the action of saving the progress you have made in a game, so that you can return and start from that point the next time you play. This is an important feature in games, as it allows players to take breaks and not lose their progress. Game refers to the video game that you are playing. Save is a verb here, and it means to store or preserve something for future use. When combined, game save means saving your game progress. Now that we understand what game save means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. I spent 3 hours playing, and I made sure to game save before I quit. Don't forget to game save before you turn off the console. I lost all my progress because I forgot to game save. In these sentences, game save is used as a verb phrase, indicating the action of saving the game. The phrase, game save, can also appear in different forms. Here are a few examples. Save game. This is another way to say, game save, and it is used interchangeably. Game saved. This is the past tense, indicating that the action of saving the game has already been completed. Saving. Sometimes, you will see this on the screen while the game is in the process of saving your progress. Understanding these variations will help you better comprehend different contexts where the phrase might appear. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about the phrase, game save. We hope this video has been informative and has cleared up any confusion around this gaming-related term. Don't forget to save your progress in whatever you do, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!